Okay, y'all, here we have salute to service, and a great way to do it on a nice cold day like this is some bean soup, but Cajun bean soup and 15 bean soup with sausage, of course. Gotta have that. Let's go make it, and then we'll enjoy it. Here are the ingredients. They will be listed in the description below along with the recipe. Okay, open up your bag of beans, pour them in your colander or strainer. Don't forget to pull out the spice package. We're definitely going to need that later. Then start searching, looking for some old bones or sticks, twigs in there, whatever you find. Get them out of there. Then we'll wash them thoroughly, get all that bean dust off. Bean dust isn't as good as fairy dust. We don't need that. All right, then we'll add a little oil to the pan, let it warm up here for a few seconds. All right, let's put our sausages in. Lay them right on in there. Wiggle them a little bit. And don't forget to wash those hands after touching that raw meat. Ah, listen to that sound. That's like heaven right there. Okay, go ahead and cook them till they're cooked through. You don't have to worry about overcooking them. They're going to be cooked in the soup a little bit later. But leave that lovely flavor down in there. Now we'll add our onions and garlic, all minced up. Give them a good stir. Let them get coated with all that lovely oil and flavor and grease and yumminess. That's the goods right there. Then we're going to add a little salt and some of our Cajun seasoning, not the packet that came with the soup. This is a little extra because I like it a little bit extra zingy. Okay, once those onions have cooked down, let's go ahead and get them out of there. I like a little slotted spoon so we get some of that oil and grease. We don't really want that anymore. That's just to cook. We already got the flavor out of it. Let's go ahead and get all those onions out of there. Now it's time to drain our beans. We let them soak for 8 hours or overnight. Go ahead and get them all out of there. Get every last one of them little beans. They're gonna try and stick. Go get them. Get them. Get them all. I think we left a couple. We'll come back for them. Give them another good washing, and then we'll put them in our pot with 8 cups of liquid or broth. I just used water on this one. Get them in there. Get them up to boil real quick. Give them a good stir. Keep an eye on them. They've been going for a good long while. Want to do it for about an hour and a half to 2 hours. Then go ahead and add our sausage, our cooked onions. Get them in there. Come on. Get them all in there. Okay, let's add our can of tomatoes. Yeah. Yeah, pat them down like that. Get them on top. Our lemon juice. Good juice of 1 lemon. Fresh one is better. And then that packet of seasoning that came with the beans. Bean flavor. All right, let's mix all that up. Take your time. Be careful. Don't let it splatter. Don't spill it. A lot of flavors are going on right there. Get them going. All right, cover it up. Let them cook for a while longer, about another 30 minutes. Keep stirring them every now and then. Oh yeah, now we're done. Look at that. That's all cooked through. Oh yeah, look at that. Now we're talking. Oh, that's flavor all the way through. You can tell by the color of the broth. Let's ladle that into a bowl and let's enjoy. All right, now we've made them. And that was a lot of fun, but not as much fun as this. Let's try them out. Man, you can see all the different kinds of beans in there. There's 15 of them. And some sausage too. Let's enjoy. Look how creamy they became. Look at that. That is good. That is spicy. Not too spicy, but man, that is good. That's how to sit through a nice, cool day like today. Enjoy some beans, enjoy some sausage, and enjoy yourself.